guys, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and today is a Dollar Tree DIY kitchen message board center. We have a magnet and dry erase board with a holder for the pens, and we have a push pin board. This is a challenge by Michelle from Bless's Chaotic Mess and Net and Tina from Net and Tina, and everybody who has accepted this challenge will be in the playlist below.
We were challenged to use 3 out of 10 specific items to use in the kitchen. So I picked the stove burner covers, the placemats, and the butter dish. I also picked up some dry erase markers, some diamond bling, and some Mod Podge while I was there. The first step is to take one of the dry erase markers and trace around the smaller stove cover and then cut it out. And I decided that the peace heart would look really pretty, so that's what I'm kind of centering because this is the one that will be seen. There are 2 types of placemats. There are thin ones and then there are some foamy ones. You want to use the thicker foamy ones when you're looking for placemats at Dollar Tree, because it needs to fit inside. Then I'm going to use the extra space, and these won't be seen, but I do need the foaminess, so I'm going to cut out a second one, and I wanted to cut out a third, but it wouldn't fit, so I pieced together a third one. Now I'm using my Mod Podge. You could use just regular glue, and I'm spreading it out, and I'm going to put my layers of placemat in there. So there's my piece together one, and then I will do the other layers. I realized it wasn't as thick as I wanted, so I added just some craft foam that I already had at home to add a little bit more thickness to the layers. I added 2 pieces of craft foam and then 3 pieces of the foam placemat. Next, I'm taking my diamond wrap and I'm going to hot glue it all around the edges of this stove cover. Now, I decided to use the blingy diamond wrap, but you could definitely use like some twine, some jute or something to have a more country farmhouse type look if that's what your style is. The diamond wrap is 4 rows of diamonds, and so I am cutting off just 1 row of diamonds, so I have a long strip that's just 1 row thick. I'm going to use that single row of the diamond wrap to cover my edges here on the inside. Again, just a little bit of jute or twine in here would also look really good. I am also going to apply the full regular size of the diamond wrap to my larger stove cover. Now I'm going to take some E6000 and I'm going to put it on the edge of the stove cover, and I'm going to leave a couple little gaps, little holes to put a little bit of hot glue, so the hot glue will hold it while the E6000 is drying. And I'm going to attach my butter cover dish right there at the bottom, and that is going to become a pen holder for the dry erase markers. Now I realized I made a mistake earlier. The diamond wrap is actually 3 rows thick, and so here I'm using the other 2 from when I cut off just the 1 row and adding it to the butter dish holder after it's had a chance to dry to give it just a little bit of bling. And then that's it. I'm done with my message center for my kitchen. The smaller stove holder becomes a pin board that you can stick in push pins or thumbtacks. The larger board is a dry erase marker board, as well as a magnet board. You can hang them up using command strips or double-sided foam mounting tape. I think they just turned out adorable.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this DIY kitchen message board center, and if you're not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. And in the comments, tell me, would you have used the bling, the diamond wrap, or would you have used more like jute twine if you had made this? Check out the playlist for all the other videos, and until next time, have a great day crafting away.